Okay, welcome back. So here we have 2x minus y squared to the 8. So we need to expand that, assuming we need to use the binomial theorem. Okay? But here, the idea is, sa binomial theorem, ano lang na siya ba? First term, and combination 0. So that's 8 combination 0, 2x to the 8. Ano lang first term. Second term, kabalo lang tangang 8 combination 1 na siya. Dayon, pakuha na siya no. 2x 7 na imong kuandihana din ang imuhang second term magkasunod na pud bali ang second term namo kay negative y squared man. Negative y squared magkasunod na bali siya og kuha no. Himo na siyang 1. Sunod 8 combination 2, 2x to the 6, then the ani negative y squared squared. We'll have 8 combination 3. Ano 2x man? May tigag 2x. Tama dahil. 2x to the 5 negative y squared cube plus 8 combination 3 no 4 2x to the 4th negative y squared to the 4th. Then we'll have what 8 combination 5 2x cube negative y squared to the 5th. Pattern lang gino 8 7 6 5 4 3 hapit ito naman 8 combination 6 2x to the 2 negative y squared mulang bantayan nga dapat ang total nila ana kay 8 kung pila exponent diha plus kana 8 dapat ang total plus 8 combination 7 2x hapit na gyud times negative y squared to the 7 plus 8 combination 8 wala na 2x na mabili na lang negative y squared to the 7. So as you can see, ito nakita dani. Well, mo siyang answer. Then actually, makita ato na nga ang answer bali kana siya 8 combination 0, 8 combination 1. Makalcu na siya. Nasa sa calcu, okay? I don't know kung kaning calcu na ba. Let me check kung na ba ni combination. View scientific. Scientific naman yun wala may combination din. Aba, log combination. Wala man. Statistics akong paon. I hope na Edit. Dataset. Wala combination na so. Ikaw, i-manual gini mo na siya og compute. For example, kung di agahan mag-compute ana, pwede pag ka magama na lang dayon og Pascal's triangle, right? I think it's easy. Kung 8 lang, gama ka Pascal's triangle. Let me check kung haba ang mas dali. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1, 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1, 1, 8, 28, 56, 70, 56, 28, 8, 1. Pila man na siya? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So, pag 8 di ay, ano lang na siya ang 8? 8 combination 0 is 1. Okay, wait. Di mo makita, no? Oh, sorry. Okay. Last naman good ni. So, ang first term bali, kanang 8 combination 0 kay, usa lang na siya. 1 lang na siya. Okay? Ang kanang 8 combination 1, 8 lang na siya. Ikaw, kung aha mo piliin, no? Kani siya is 8 combination 2, third term, 28. 8 combination 3, fourth term, Simply 56. Atong i-check no kung 56 bagid basig nagama-gama ta ba? Let us try to find 8 combination 3. So yan ang 8 combination 3. 8 combination 3. That's 8 factorial over what? 8 minus 3. That's 5 factorial. 3 factorial. Let's check. 8 factorial is simply 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. Okay, 5 factorial. Cancel ng 5 factorial. Then 3 factorial is 3 times 2. Or 6. So, 6 cancel. Ang mabilin 8 times 7. Pila man ang 8 times 7? So, dang 56. So, I think more or less to make it right. So, nga na lang. Pwede nimo kung ahang pili nimo masayon. Kani siya, mas straightforward. Basta bantayan lang yun nimo. Kabalo, dili ka mag-memorize og mga formula. Mag-memorize ka, ay mo kung is unsang trending, unsang pattern. So, bantayan nimo nga ang una, to the 8, sunod to the 7. Ang y, wala sa sugod, no? Ay ang second term wala sa sunod. Sige, increase, increase. Dapat bantayan lang nimo ang total. 7 plus 1, that's 8. 6 plus 2, that's 8. 5 plus 3, that's 8. 4 plus 4, that's 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. So, ingana lang bali, 8 ang total sa exponent. Okay? Thank you.